Dear students, in our previous class we had completed the discussion about clauses and kinds of clauses. Okay. Then we had started the discussion about sentence. First one, some important features of a sentence. A sentence is a basic unit of language. It has a subject and predicate. It begins with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Okay, it's very simple one. All of you know it very well, I know. Okay, there are three kinds of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. First one, what is simple sentence? The simple sentence contains one finite verb. The verb showing tense, person and number. What is finite verb? The verb changes according to the number, person of the subject. Okay. അതായത് സബ്ജക്റ്റിലെ പേഴ്സണും നമ്പറിനും അനുസരിച്ച് എന്തുണ്ടായിരിക്കും, വേർബിലും ചേഞ്ചസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അതിനെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്, ഫിനിറ്റ് വേർബ്. That is, simple sentence has one main clause. What is the speciality of simple sentence? It has one main clause. The boy saw the wolf. Second one, a compound sentence has two or more coordinate clauses. It may also have one or more subordinate clauses. It is actually two simple sentences joined together by coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, etc. Okay, the compound sentence has two or more coordinate clauses. At the same time, it may also have one or more subordinate clauses. എന്താണ് കോമ്പൗണ്ട് സെൻറ്റൻസിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത? അതിൽ രണ്ടോ അതിൽ കൂടുതലോ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ക്ലോസസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എന്തുണ്ടായിരിക്കും, വൺ ഓർ മോർ സബോർഡിനേറ്റ് ക്ലോസസും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആക്ച്വലി ടു സിമ്പിൾ സെൻറ്റൻസസ് ജോയിൻഡ് ടുഗെദർ ബൈ കോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ്, ബട്ട്, ഓർ, എക്സെട്ര. രണ്ട് സിമ്പിൾ സെൻറ്റൻസ് കോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് വെച്ച് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതാണ് എന്ത്, കോമ്പൗണ്ട് സെൻറ്റൻസ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ദ ബോയ് സോ ദ വൂഫ്, അതൊരു സിമ്പിൾ സെൻറ്റൻസ് ആണ്. ആൻഡ് വി യൂസ് ദ കോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻ ആൻഡ് ടു കണക്ട് ദ അനദർ സെൻറ്റൻസ്, ran away. Okay, two simple sentences connect with the coordinating conjunctions that we call compound sentence. Last one, a complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Okay, they are joined by subordinating conjunctions like because, that, whether, so that, if, or words. Or words like when, why, how, etc. Okay, കോമ്പൗണ്ട് സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ കോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് സെൻറ്റൻസിനെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ കോംപ്ലക്സ് സെൻറ്റൻസിലോട്ട് മാറ്റുമ്പോൾ അത് സബോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് സെൻറ്റൻസിനെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതാണ് കോംപ്ലക്സ് സെൻറ്റൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ നന്നായി പഠിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് കോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് എന്ന് നോക്കണം, അതുപോലെ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് സബോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് എന്ന് നോക്കണം. എന്നാലാണ് നമുക്ക് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഏത് സെൻറ്റൻസാ എന്നുള്ളത് പെട്ടെന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ അത് നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കാം. When the boy saw the wolf, he ran away. We use the word when, okay, to connect these two words. Exercise A is your homework. Second one, look at the pictures carefully with the help of the given clues. Frame simple or complex sentences or both. Write the simple sentences using red pen and the complex sentences using a green pen as done in the first picture. Simple sentences you have to write with red pen and complex sentence you have to write with green pen. It will rain, that is certain. That it will rain is certain. It is certain that it will rain. Next one, simple. He is the culprit, I am sure. Complex. How to change this sentence into complex? Culprit എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കുറ്റവാളി. I am sure that we use the subordinate conjunction that he is the culprit. complex is given. My mother is hopeful that my brother will be well soon. Then how to change that sentence into simple? My mother is hopeful. My brother will be well soon. Okay. Next one. Simple sentence. I will stand first in exam. I am certain. The clues is given, and that sentence how to change into complex. I am certain that I will stand first in exam. I am certain that I will stand first in certain. Okay. The fifth one, the clues is given. Father delighted, brother safe arrival. Then how to write this one in simple sentence? My father is delighted. My father is delighted. My brother arrived safely. My brother arrived safely. Then how to change this sentence into complex? My father is delighted that. We use the subordinate conjunction that to connect these two simple sentences. My father is delighted that my brother arrived safely. Okay. Next one, read the following sentences carefully. Write S against a simple sentence, CO against a compound sentence, and CX against the complex sentence. Okay, the players got, we have to identify what type of sentences these are. Okay, the first one, the players got all the help they needed. What kind of sentence that one? The players got all the help they needed. Yes, complex sentence. Whenever Tommy sees a stranger, he starts barking madly. That also whenever. We use the word whenever. Okay, whenever Tommy sees a stranger, he starts barking madly. Next one, it was a hot day. It's a simple sentence. I believe he is an honest man. I believe he is an honest man. Complex. However, had man try, he cannot change his destiny. However, the word however we use, that's why it is a complex sentence. After the tornado, my house was completely destroyed. Simple sentence. We does not use any kind of coordinating or subordinating conjunctions. We decided to go fishing and camp near the river. We use and to connect these two simple sentences. That's why that is a compound sentence. I asked him a question. He replied correctly. I asked him a question. He replied correctly. That is compound sentence. I met the boy who had helped me. I met the boy who. We use the word who to connect these to these words, sentences. Complex. She is wearing a shirt which looks nice. Again, we use the word which to connect these two sentence. That is complex sentence. നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോ സെൻറ്റൻസും നന്നായിട്ട് നോക്കുക. അത് സബോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണോ അതോ കോർഡിനേറ്റിംഗ് കൺജങ്ഷൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണോ കണക്ട് ചെയ്തത് എന്നുള്ളത്. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ഇത് പെട്ടെന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, ഡു ആസ് ഡിറക്റ്റഡ്. ഷീ ഈസ് റിച്ച്. ഷീ ലെറ്റ്സ് an unhappy life. Combine the simple sentence to form a compound sentence. So that is simple sentence we have to make a compound sentence. She is rich but she leads a unhappy life. You will pass, I am confident. Combine the simple sentence to form a complex sentence. I am confident that you will pass. Next one, you bought a car which is very expensive. Make a two simple sentence. You bought a car. The car is very expensive. Next one, you won a scholarship. I am happy to learn it. Combine simple sentence to form a complex sentence. I am happy to learn that you have won a scholarship. Last one, I like the pet dog that Tim keeps. Make two simple sentence. Tim keeps a pet dog. I like the pet dog. Okay. Next one, complete the dialogue with the help of clues given in the box. Mother, Priya, have your breakfast. Priya. Priya, what? Milk again. I don't like it. Give me what you cook for grandmother. Okay. Next one. Mother, I fail to understand. Which one we will select? Yes. Why you are obstinate? Your grandmother is old and has to take the diet, which has no fat or carbohydrate. On the other hand, of milk is essential for a growing child. I again advise you to drink your milk before you go to school. Okay. The last one, state the type of sentences in the paragraph below. Write symbol for S for symbol, C for compound, CX for complex sentence in the bracket. Computers are fun. That is simple. They can also be frustrating and they can be frightening. That is compound. That is your homework. Then question number A and question number F. These are two homeworks for you. So after writing your homework, you must send. Okay.